In today's video I will walk you through how to change your BingX password. Want to keep your BingX account secure? Changing your password regularly is one of the easiest ways to protect your account, especially if you think your current password may have been compromised or you simply want to improve your account's security. Let's get started. Once you're signed in, tap your profile icon in the upper corner of the screen. From the menu, select Security or Security Center. This section contains all of your account protection settings, including password management, two-factor authentication, and login security options. Find the option labeled Password, then tap on it to continue. Before BingX allows you to change your password, you'll need to verify that you're the account owner. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to enter a verification code sent to your registered email address or phone number. If you've enabled Google Authenticator, you'll also need to enter the current 6-digit authentication code. Complete the required verification steps, then continue to the password update screen. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Tap Confirm or Save to complete the process. Once the change is successful, you'll use your new password the next time you log in to BingX. And that's how you change your BingX password.